Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an event for your team in HiHello. By creating an event, you and your team can automatically tag new contacts you meet. Let's get started. First, go to your Events page. Click New Event to begin creating a fresh, engaging event for your team. Add a personal touch to your event by uploading a custom background image. Click Add Media to confirm your selection. Enter the event name to make it easy for your team to identify. Input your event location to keep everyone in the loop. Choose your event's time zone for seamless scheduling across regions. Add an optional description to highlight key details of the event. Pick your event's start and end dates so everyone can mark their calendars. You can select precise start and end times too. Tap Manage Tag to move on to the next step and create a unique tag for this event. By creating an event tag, you and your team will be able to organize and identify all of the contacts and leads from your event. Pick a memorable tag icon to visually represent your event. Click Select Attendees to quickly add your event participants. You can select individual attendees by clicking their boxes one at a time. You can also use the search bar or the search filters to find your team members. You can also add users in bulk by clicking the box above your user table. Finish by clicking Create Event to launch your new event and notify your attendees. Now that your event has been created, you'll be taken to the event page. You can come back here at any time before or during your event to edit it. After your event, you'll be able to see analytics and contacts from the event all in one convenient location.